Hi everyone, it's Robin and welcome back to Happy at Home. Today I have a Christmas home decor slash crafting haul to share with you. So this past Sunday, two of my girls and I went on a little Christmas adventure. We decided to go to Ikea and see what they had for Christmas decor, and then on the way home from that, we stopped at Michael's. So we picked up some goodies and I thought I would quickly share them with you today because the sales at Michael's will be good throughout this whole week. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm going to start with Ikea. I didn't pick up a whole lot of actual Christmas items at Ikea. They had quite a bit there that I liked, but I just didn't need. So I didn't pick up very much. And it is so hard to shop at Ikea for their Christmas stuff because they have it spread out throughout the checkout lines. I don't know if they do this at everybody's Ikea, but it was Sunday morning at Ikea and the place is packed. It's crazy. The lines are super duper long, and then you gotta like weave yourself in and out of these lines to look at all the Christmas stuff. It's just not a good setup. Do other Ikeas do the same thing? I just don't get it. So let me know if yours is different than mine, but I just don't like the setup, but I do like some of the things that they have. So I did pick up a few of the things, of course. So the first thing I picked up were just a couple staple things that I always get when I actually go to Ikea. And the first one being a 100-pack of tea lights. I love these. They burn for about 4 hours each, it says. Yeah, they're $3.99 for 100 of them, which works out to like, I don't know, like 4 cents, almost 4 cents a piece, which is super cheap and the best deal I've found on actual tea lights. Either beats any other store that I know of. So I always pick those up when I go there, and I go through quite a lot of tea lights in my house. So the next thing I picked up were some tea towels with the red stripes. I love these things. They are so handy to have around, and I love that they're red and white, which is perfect for my house. They're only 79 cents. So I picked up 4 of them this time to make some sort of Christmas hand towel. I don't know if I'm going to stamp on them or if I'm going to stencil on them. I'm not really sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but they're perfect for crafting with. They make perfect little pillow covers if you're handy with the sewing machine, and I love them. So I always pick some more up just because I'll replace the ones that get stained, that sort of thing. So that was perfect. And those, I don't know if I said they were 79 cents each. So the next thing I picked up were some rugs. Now they have their basic little, I don't know what you would call these kind of rugs, but you know, they're basic rugs with a little trim on the bottom, little fringe trim. These were $3.99, and I picked up 2 in this white and pink stripe for my daughter Zoe. She's redoing her bedroom, and we plan to make pillows out of them. I'm not quite sure. There's 2 ways you can make pillows out of them, which is super easy. You just sew along the 3 sides of the pillowcase, and then you've got the fringe at the bottom or the top, and that's a good one. Or you can fold it the other way, the long way, like this. You'd have the fringe on either side, and you'd have a nice little lumbar pillow. So I'm not quite sure which way we're going to do it, but we're going to sew 2 of those for her bedroom. And then I picked up 2 rugs for myself in this striped black and white pattern, which I think is really pretty. I hadn't seen this before. They also have just a white, a red, and like a tan stripe, but I like the black. So I have 2 of those for myself to make myself some pillows. Probably, I don't know if I'm going to use them for Christmas, probably not, but they will definitely make an appearance for my winter decor. So I am loving those. Look at that, and that's just so pretty. I love it. Alright, so those are the basics that we picked up at Ikea, and then we got into the Christmassy stuff. Emily picked up some little gingerbread cookies. I'm not sure if she's going to, I'm thinking she's going to decorate them and then hang them on the tree. I don't know how much these were. I wouldn't say they were more than like $4. And there's 6 of them, I think, in there. Yeah. So, that was cute. And I didn't have to make them, so that's a good thing. And then I picked up 3 advent calendars for my girls. These were $2.99 each, yeah. $2.99 each. They have this cute little Christmas tree, star and moon little design on them. And yes, I know my kids are in high school and middle school, but they still love the advent calendars. So I keep getting them because I think they're so much fun. So those were really cute, so we picked those up. I've never got the advent calendars from Ikea before, so I think last year I got them from Aldi, and the year before I can't remember where I got them from, but I just thought they were really cute. So we picked those up. Then the next thing I picked up was a tree topper, and this one, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that or not, but it's just a silver tree topper. This was $3.99. And I just love it because it's got that vintage vibe that I'm going for. So that was a good thing. And then they had these little mini Christmas trees, which at first I was like, oh, those are so cute, I'm going to get them. And then I put them back. And then I put them back into my cart. So I ended up with 3 of these little guys, which I think are so cute. I think I'm going to put them in my windowsill here in my kitchen window. And these were, how much were these? These were $3.99 each, and I just think they're super cute. I need to find some cute little pots to put them in, and yeah, they're so adorable. And I think they will look really cute in my windowsill, all lined up and looking cutesy. So then the very last thing was kind of an impulse buy, and I don't know if we're going to like it or not, but we're going to try it anyways, and it is this right here. It's a drink. It says it's the Winter Saga, a serene shelter from the winter cold, it says. It's a mulled fruit drink. It's and then it says, let's see. It says, enjoy a Swedish winter moment. Add raisins and almonds for a steaming mulled drink. Ginger thins on the side. Yeah, so I don't know what this is really. I have no idea. It says you can serve it warm or cold. So if anyone has tried this before, I would really like to know your thoughts on this. I thought it would be something fun to try. So moving on to Michael's. First of all, Michael's has all of their Halloween and like fall decor and like 80% off. It's craziness. There was a couple things that I had in my cart and then I ended up not getting them, and I'm kind of kicking myself. But at the same time, I'm still okay with it not getting them because I spent a lot of money this weekend. So the thing that we actually went to Michael's for was this pack of pens right here. It's Micron, and there's a set of 3, and they're in different sizes, a 005, a 02, and a 08, all in black. And my 2 artists of the family go through these pens like crazy. So if you have kids who like to draw and that kind of thing, are into the artsy things, this might be a good little stocking stuffer. They run about $8 for the pack of 3 of them, and my girls at least use them as outlining pens. They don't bleed on their drawings. They can go over lots of different, they go over markers nicely, over colored pencils nicely, over watercolors nicely. So these, my kids are using them all the time. So that's just a little side note for you. But this is what we went to Michael's for, and then we ended up with a whole bunch of other stuff, which I'm now going to show you. So the first thing is something that my daughter Zoe picked out, and it was this little Christmas cactus. Ugh, seriously. I'm not a big fan of cactus, but both Emily and Zoe are like crazy about cactuses. And this one she saw, and she's like, oh please. So it was 40% off. Normally $10, so I thought she could have it. It could be part of her Christmas decor. But yeah, it's just a little cactus, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but it's sprinkled with like snow glitter on the top, and then it's in this cute little white little container. So that was sort of cute, if you like cactuses. So that was for Zoe, and she loves that so much. So then I picked up some ornaments. They have their, what do you call it? Christmas, Noel, the Ashland Christmas ornaments are 50% off. And I picked out 3 very vintage style ones to take home with me. And the first one was this one right here. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it very well, but it's like this little globe. And it has 2 bottle brush trees inside, and then a little deer with a little wreath around its neck, and he's so adorable. So this was originally $10, but with the sale it was only $5. So which isn't terrible for an ornament, but you know, for a special ornament, it's okay. So Walmart actually does have a ornament that is very similar to this, but it has a church inside. But they're selling theirs for only $1.97. But I really love this little deer guy, so he was really cute, and I had to get him. So, because I love Christmas deer so much. And then, so then I got the other ornament that I picked out, I picked two of them up. They're originally $10, so I got 2 for 1 basically. And they are these right here. These are glass ornament, very vintage looking, and I am obsessed. They had another one that had like bigger bulbs, but my girls like this one better. So I picked up 2 of these, and I think they are absolutely lovely, and I am so excited to use these. I'm not sure if they're actually going to go on my tree, but I think they are so cool. And they're kind of like in this vintage mercury glass bead look to them. It's not really a mercury glass, but it's like a glass bead, silver glass bead. So I love it. So very pretty. I never realized that the front of them actually has a little bead on it. I don't think I even looked at that side. I looked at this side before when I was in the store, and I'm like, that kind of seems a little unfinished in the middle there. I was right. They put a little bead in the middle on the correct side. So anyways, I thought these were super cool. They, like I said, they had another version where the ornaments were much bigger. They're like kind of like teardrop kind of looking ones, but the girls like this one better. So I went ahead with the ones that my girls like better because I could not decide between the two. And I wanted them to match just in case I wanted to use them together. The next thing I picked up was a can of puff paint. This is by Tulip. This is a slick kind. This is the only one they had in white, which is what I wanted for a project for Christmas. I don't know what slick means. I think it just means that it will always kind of look a little wet. I'm not real sure. I'm not sure if this is going to work for what I need it to work for, but we shall find out, and it's worth a shot. If it doesn't work out, my girls will use this. So that was a good thing to pick up. So for my Christmas crafting, these next 2 items I am so excited about. I have been obsessed with tin candle luminaries. I guess that's what you call me. Little tin houses that you put candles in. Like, I saw a set of these on a blog. It was a Swedish blog probably 10 years ago. And now it's finally becoming popular here in the United States. And I am obsessed with these things. The girls are like, oh, they're so ugly, they're tin. I'm like, I'm sorry. I like this color. I think they're looking cool. So when I saw that Michael's had these, I was like super crazy excited about these. And I am loving it. These actually light up already if they had the battery in it, but they don't have the battery. They have the battery area down here. Oh, maybe they do light up. I should pull out the thingy. Oh, it lights up. Can you see that? I should just take this tag off. Can you see that? There you go. It lights up. So anyways, Michael has had some, and I am so excited because I have been looking for like some larger ones. I have some small ones that are maybe 4 inches tall, and I still haven't been able to find a big one that I like for years. I've been looking for years. In come Michael's. Michael's has saved the day this year. I love it, this guy. This one was marked $10. He was on sale. I can't remember how much. Okay. So these this week are on sale just this size because they're with like the luminaries. They had like some other like candle holders things when they were on sale for $5. So I picked this guy up. He's $5 and I'm loving it. How cute is that? I'm so excited about this. So I was super excited to find this one. So after I found that first house, I went on my way merrily shopping in the store, and I went down the aisle and I went down a couple more aisles and I found some more houses. They had them in galvanized and they had them I think in red, which are larger. These are the $20 mark, and they look like this. This is the one I picked out. They had a couple different options, but this is the one I liked. This one also lights up already. Oh, so awesome. Love this little guy. This one was not on sale, but I used my 50% off coupon, so I got him for $11. I'm sorry, he used $22. So I was loving this. I cannot wait to use this guy. Look at him lit up. Oh man. Oh, I'm so in love. So in love. I love those things so much. And you know what? I told the girls, they're like, oh, I don't like that color. They're kind of boring. That's fine. They're easily paintable. A little bit of spray paint. You can spray paint to whatever color you want, which is probably what I'll end up doing at some point if I ever get tired of the metal look of them. They will get spray painted, and that is perfectly fine. So I don't think I'm gonna get tired of them though, because I love anything Christmas, houses, village. Think it's awesome. So loving that. Alright, so I have 3 more things to share with you, and this is the Christmas craft that the girls and I decided to do this year. We normally try to do at least one crafty thing together, and this is the thing that we picked out, and I think they are so cool. They are originally $15, but they are on sale this week for $9. And they are these little shadow boxes like this. We all picked out a different shadow box. These things are so cool, and they light up. You probably you won't be able to tell, but along the whole outside and along the bottom has little LED lights. So when we're done painting them, we can turn the little lights on at night, and then we'll have this cute little scene. I think this is such a fun idea. So basically on the bottom of these, if you don't know how these works, there's this little thing you slide off, and then the little scenes all have their own little layer that you take it out, you paint it, and then you slide it back in. These are so fun. I love these so much. This is the first year I've seen these. And they also had other smaller ones. Like these are the big ones that they had. But they had like little star-shaped ones that don't have the multiple layers, but they have the laser cutting on it. They also had some like lantern things, and they all lit up, and it was all very exciting. So this one, I believe, is the one that Emily picked out to do, with the town, the tree, and the Santa and the reindeer. So that's Emily's. And then Zoe picked one out as well, and she picked out this one right here with the car and the snowflakes and the trees. So that's Zoe's, sorry. And then finally, I picked out this one to do. This one has the deer in it, and then it's got the trees and the ornaments in front, and I think it's super duper cool. So this is going to be so much fun. The painting, the glittering, it's just going to be so much fun. I love it. I'm back. So my camera died before I could finish this video, and then it got super duper dark outside, and then everybody in the background, everybody keeps coming through the kitchen. This is why I don't film when my people are home. So frustrating. Anyways, so that is what I picked up at Micheal's and Ikea. Some really fun stuff. So if you are interested in any of these items on the sale price of that I got, you're going to want to go before Saturday of this week, which is, what's the date? Get to the stores before the 10th. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed this type of video, please let me know down in the comments or hit the thumbs up button so I have a general good idea of, you know, if you want to see more of these type of videos from me. Yeah, so thank you so much for stopping by today and hanging out with me, and I will see you again very soon. Bye now.